Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and today I want to dive into the deliciously confusing or confusingly delicious world of melons. For that, yesterday I was on the farmers market of Mannheim, and after that on some Turkish shops in Mannheim. I could have bought a total of about 20 different melon varieties in this market and those shops combined, but I bought 6 melons, and I'm planning to make videos about 5 of them. Not planning to make a video about this one, the Persian melon, because I already have a video on it. I just bought it because last time I bought it, it was so incredibly delicious. So let's see what we have here. Well, the funny thing is, melons and cucumbers are in the same genus. The melon is Cucumis melo, and the cucumber is Cucumis sativus. And so today we'll have 2 melons which are actually used as cucumbers. Oh, I think I misplaced those. They were supposed to be like this. Well, the first melon used as cucumber is this one. This is the Turkish melon. Some call it Aromatic melon. However, I'm not sure if all of those Turkish melons are Aromatic melons or just a specific sub-variety. Well, in Turkey, if you want melon, you ask for a kavun. That's their name for melon. And when they are ripe, they are really delicious. One of the best melons I know. But when they are unripe, they also sell them. And they're used as cucumbers. So, the next melon used as a cucumber is this here, the Italian cucumber melon. This is, what was it called? I totally forgot the name now. I had to remember too many. Carousel Baratiola or something like this. Yeah, definitely Carousel Melon. However, there are several varieties of Carousel Melon, and I think this one was called Carousel something with maybe it was Baratiola, maybe it was something different. However, it gets much more confusing because this Carousel and Bara is something. They're also used interchangeably for different melon or cucumber-like fruit in parts of Italy. But I'll make a dedicated video to this one where I'll hope to remember the name. This here is usually just called the Persian melon. Well, I also found the name Carousel for this one. However, the Persian melon also seems to come in a lot of varieties. Some are much more elongated than this one, almost like cucumbers. Some have ridges. But here in Germany, usually this is being sold as Persian melon. This one here comes from Uzbekistan, as far as I remember. It was some of the stands. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Uzbekistan. Well, not too far away from Persia. And yeah, the last one I ate was incredibly tasty. So I have high hopes for this one. Well, this is supposed to be a Cantaloupe melon. However, the Cantaloupe melons, well, I mean, all those melons are incredibly confusing. There are over 600 approved varieties in the European Union. And there are thousands of varieties worldwide. And for a fruit where you just need to scoop out a couple seeds and plant your own vines, it's very easy to create a huge variety confusion. So this looked like a Cantaloupe melon. Well, the thing is, the European Cantaloupe style melons, especially the Charentay melons, they have those ridges, those grooves here and the ridges in between. Well, the American Cantaloupe melons, they have this typical webbing or netting. However, most of the Cantaloupe melons I found nowadays in our supermarkets, they have both webbing and netting. So maybe some hybrid between European and American Cantaloupe melons. And this was in a box where there were Cantaloupe melons of a lot of different colors. This is quite an unusual color. I don't know if this melon was picked underripe or overripe or what's going on with it. It's definitely something from the Cantaloupe Charentay group, but with a very unique color. So I'm really curious about the taste. This thing here was incredibly expensive, €6. While most melons here in Germany, they go for like between €1 and €2, at least the small ones. It was sold to me as melone giusto. However, when I googled melone giusto, it usually has a lot more netting or webbing than this one. So I think this is one of those highly aromatic musk melons which have become quite popular in Germany within the last 2 or 3 years. Before that they were quite rare. Yeah, it is very aromatic. I already made videos about 2 of those. But yeah, this one is different. It has this webbing a little bit more than them. Something the others didn't have were those green spots. So I guess this is again some sub-variety of those aromatic melons which seem to come from Italy. So quite confusing. I hope in the videos about the different melon varieties I will be able to reduce the confusion a little bit, but you never know. So stay tuned for a lot more melon videos from the farmers market and Turkish shops of Mannheim. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.